Fire over farming. Hello, I'm Anthony Miller. Singer made his name with a sing-along celebration of rural life, but now lighting a lyrical torch. Some fans mystified and wondering, what's up with Yaksta? Yaksta taking to social media to vent.
I'm going to tell you straight, I'm not fall in line with no boy, I'm a lion. Bush me come from, I'm a bushman.
Excuse me, no pagans. Now seek validation. Farming over flossing. Investment over graphic.
The from flossing to farming singer, now in fire-burning mode. Flames lapping at the heels of gays, so-called industry gatekeepers, even other artists. The singer rebranding himself as outspoken Rasta tough talker, calling out a cast of real or imagined culprits, come what may, but not everyone buying it. What's up with Yaksta? All of a sudden, nice guy Yaksta is in a bad mood. Who trouble you?
No, man, nobody can trouble me, man. I'm here the troublemaker, you know. If I any trouble, I'm here the troublemaker, man.
You let fly about gatekeepers. What gatekeepers? Isn't it good songs that open gates?
Good songs does, but good recommendation makes connections much more stronger. And we all know this when time youths and people have potential. You have people who is in precedence sometimes that prevent that pivotation.
Who?
I mean who?
Who are they? No, there are no gatekeepers anymore. This is the age of the internet. You can create your own sensation without having to get the approval of anybody.
No, the approval is ghetto people. If ghetto people don't approve it, it can't go nowhere. The marketability, if you connect to the ghetto people, give you a universal response. And Mr. Miller, me don't know, and you don't know. We in our industry. It's very demonized mentally, you know? And we see it for what it is. And we are talking raw truth.
So spell it out. Who are the gatekeepers?
Who are the gatekeepers?
Yeah.
No, man. That's for our next interview, man. If you know, we can go and talk about a different topic. You have to remember about me, you know. I'm not loose cannon and nobody can draw me out. But I'm a man. So I can approach it like a man. We're living in a system that only one set of people alone eat. That's why I say bread for float. But I've been in situations where people call and talk about tour and cancel our tour. Cancel off a playlist. We see these things. They try the best to not make it grow. Because them fear where I come. But you say now, a right time to do it. How wait them wake me up. Me a dancehall DJ first, me want get a rat. Remember I said them is a call me time I come at town. Get a rat. Me proudly walk as a get a rat. You know why? It's before me becoming champion, them school me. Then them push me forward. Then the system teach me what it is. Right now, unapologetically so, me rather be over the fence with my friend them I eat, than out a door and I adhere to some law where I push you out. Right now, I get kick off. I chew them I come. Tell me who to tap it. Because bush law time now. And nobody can tap it.
Give me an example of what it is you were just going on about.
The general example of what I'm talking about is that I made Roar from my album. It made a response, a social echo. I dropped Return, and that made a lot of people uncomfortable. It's when that drop, all heap of bickering, me never did pay that no mind. A person did something that upset me, and I write for them story, which now have nothing to do with the revival camp, and they took it up. But them for talk about youth, them would then stop. Them for talk about something with them talk about youth like we. Because they real and true, they written nobody. They don't share nothing with nobody neither, outside of them camp. And it is good to protect what you create. But don't come present Rasta and you know no love. And them things them I talk about. And no boy can tap me, Anthony Miller. That me I go on about. The hypocrisy in I think. Yeah.
Lyrics dropped, posts made, some references too much for some people, a line about Jesus drawing offense. How this is going to come across to the general public is that you're just ranting though.
Anthony Miller, me a one rebel. Me no answer to boy and girl. Friends that try to pump me. Me protect myself. It's when I was down, I never saw them. So when I make and re-entry, why is it that everybody know have bickerings to say? We do countless amount of songs. Mr. Miller, I tell you straight. I want you to love people. My favorite artist are Chronix. And all time Chronix start the worst thing them in the world, his music is a little different from him. Him for clean up in dirty heart and in mind and come confront me like a real man.
Why are you bringing Chronix into the conversation?
Because
Why?
you try to twist it up so I get raw, so you understand.
What am I trying to twist up? I'm asking you why bring Chronix into the conversation. What does he have to do with anything?
What do you mean have to do with everything? The same thing we ask about social media. The gossip, the twist. Now, to this question now. What have me fired up is the injustice in the music. Is how enough people who see as a leader pretend so much. The pretentious state. And them things them I talk about. The thing what them do to the youth them in the system, what the youth, because the youth them want to look bread. Anthony, I'm saying, I'm not business about no career. I'm a farmer, I'm a plant the ground. Nobody can, I'm going to tell you straight up. If you ever try to black me out, you fire me up more. Because I'm a war boy. So I'm a wrong man for anybody to pick with. I'm very calm, collective. But you see when they go on for punk, bush lad come out, man. This time world forget it raw and real. And from your heart me attack.
That's not how you appeared on the scene.
Yeah.
Are you saying people don't prefer the earlier version of Yaksta, the friendly farmer celebrating rural life? They want the angry ras?
Look, me a deal with.
Anger.
Because you're giving me the angry ras vibe.
No. I think you're using verbs right now, you know, to be descriptive. The agitated, Rastafari, angry. Whoa! I'm a very joyful individual. How did you reach angry? Agitated is different from anger. You understand?
The first time Yaksta was the farmer Yaksta. This is not. This is a different Yaksta.
Farming over flossing. Food of eat, Mr. Miller, man. I talk about.
I get you.
Yeah.
You know, people are going to say this is just Yaksta trying to create a buzz because maybe right now his songs aren't creating a buzz.
His songs? We have the #1 song in the world. Not even in Jamaica, in the world. In the world. I know who put it there? The people them.
So them Maras are still a walla. Do not make you lion roar. This me iron sure. Sassy guys can't open up Zion door.
Mr. Miller, time for stop tell people lie. Most of the artists are liars. Most of we broken on the money. Most of we hungry. We want bread. We don't want a reality live it no more. We want bread. And I put out the nice music. And if people want some vulgar fine because when I talk subtle, it is not being heard. A voice that shouts make an echo. An echo make a vibration. A vibration bounce over walls.
Still can't help being reminded of an earlier incarnation of Yaksta.
The version they met, I was 26. I'm 32 now. I'm a dad with kids. I have a dad belly, Mr. Miller. You understand? What you talk about? I know the same thing. Me have grey hair, me not gray hair then. Me the fat body here, Mr. Miller. What you talk say? So me not have to change. Yeah, man, I say I go to Jamaica. We all grew up.
You gave me something of it earlier,
Yeah.
but was it a case of trying to break into a particular group or a particular production unit?
What I can say, Chronix was the first person who shared ambition. And Chronicler and some of them. And Proto J2 and Lila IK, because I can't call them names. I don't hate war, my king. And the foolishness, me tired of. Stop playing them back of mind games. Because the industry need everybody.
Mind games meaning what?
Mind games meaning that you will talk down for the next man because you feel like you're more superior. Every king have a timestamp. From once you enter the game, you're dated. We're not inciting violence on nobody. What we're talking about is a platform that is vast enough to be shared equally and everyone reigns. But everyone wants to be at the top. Top of a season, now. Somebody is at little more from now. And the reality, I've been at already. So now I understand the little thing where I come with. These things don't mean nothing to me more than the music. I don't want to be a fly-by-night artist. And that me I talk about.
Some people might say, whatever it is you think of a particular camp or a particular group of people,
If you say their name, man.
No,
whatever
you think of a particular camp or group of people,
Yeah.
you can stand on your own once your music is good enough and people respond to it.
But my
Isn't
music
that
is good
true?
enough. Mr. Miller, I've been busting Yaksta.
So why does it matter how anybody else is operating?
Because the matter in the eye is that somebody see me as a matter in them eye. Me never see it. My eye them clean. You see? And them put matter in them eye and me don't matter in them one. And me become a matter to them. Because I have the song that is trending now. Me have the 2 songs them at. And I tell them if it comes up and go in exile and spoil. Me a born a pretty up Anthony Miller. Me no lying. And that not happen from listening to music, because they make good music. But then if it go with them dirty heart.
Me slow down now, pick up another speed.
You're really making it very personal.
Yeah, me tell you when it become personal to me, when everybody start find things like, we wake up one morning, because I shoot the video for return. I mean say, Yaksta and Chronix Ray in a beef. So I said, well, this new to me. Because the last time me check, me rate the youth there. So I want to outreach to him. Because him have nothing to do with what me that talk about. So when everybody start chatting on people start rating and speculating, move away from that. Because that I take up from the album. Microphone Save Me, I'm a track Roar, I'm a track Return.
And your album title,
The biggest album in the whole
your
world.
album title is a true title because it did in fact save your life.
Mr. Miller, I'm telling you straight. It's in the bus and you flap, because they don't want to tell them. I'm telling people about what. They lick your chip, it will make you mad. You know why? Everyone that once loved you, destroy you slowly. I tell you when I'm find everything and find peace. When I look around who I have, I'm start valuing people who value me. Then I start valuing myself more. Then I start take an internal insight and more evidence. And I start realize, you know one thing I can say to everybody, is something that I never see a youth rise and envy. It interests me because the talent is so unique. Instead of burden you carry, instead of make it become anger, you make it become art. You want me tell you what anger me? People like to do things and hide their hand. You be a man for once, youth. A balls and have. Yeah. And that me I talk about, Mr. Miller. And a puppy show thing no more. And about the industry. When you can't cancel anything, take visa, that don't mean nothing to me. A sky, live it in the sky, don't mean nothing to me. Nothing at all, don't mean to me.
But honestly though, you think this version of Yaksta is going to be what the road wants, or is this strictly for local consumption?
So if local choose me, then I choose local. I'm Jamaican first.
Was there a crucial moment, a tipping point in terms of the new you, the person you are now, a moment that said, this is the person I want to be or need to be?
They said you have to fall in line. Full time to fall in line. Yeah. That's what me there.
Fall in line with what?
You ever see? We still get next interview, man. When you come back a country, mash up the media again. Because that's what I like. I think when you're writing a book, you know, and you give the story too early, it has no thrill. Mr. Anthony Miller Bill.
Yaksta billed, he says, for several dates in North America and Europe over summer.